Man, I'm getting thirsty. I'm going to get myself a Coca-Cola from the vending machine. What the? Why won't my mini go inside the vending machine? Oh well, let's try again so I can get my Coca-Cola. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me. Why won't this freaking vending machine put my minis in? I just want my Coca-Cola. Well, I'll just try to put it in one more time. And if it does this again, I am going to break it. Good. I finally got my minis in.
Got a good date with it.
Oh my goodness. Why won't this vending machine give me my Coca-Cola? I want my Coca-Cola right now. Since this vending machine is not giving my Coca-Cola, I'm going to break it. Good. I finally got my Coca-Cola. You stupid vending machine. This is what you get for not giving my Coca-Cola. Well, since I got my Coca-Cola, I'm now going to drink it.
I'm going to get myself a Fanta from the vending.
Oh no, it's Shouta.
Portia Gibbons. Did they break the vending machine?
Yes, I did.
You did what? Oh my god. Portia Gibbons. Are you out of your mind right now? How dare you break the vending machine? You know breaking the vending machine can get arrested, and they cost a lot of money. That's it. Go home right now. While I call Dick Gibbons about this.
That's a
Where the get out.
Portia Gibbons. How dare you break the vending machine? That's it. You are grounded for 35 weeks. Go to bed now.
That's a